This video show how to use more charts in Fyers. First, you need to select View Your Stock. You can see a rectangular column on the top of the chart. Just click on this icon and select your number of charts. Here we are going to display 4 charts. This 4 charts can be used for 4 different stocks or same stocks or a premium of on options. We just selected 4 stocks such as Reliance, ICICI Bank, Bank Nifty, and Tata Motors. Moreover, you can use different indicators for different stocks. Fyers is the only platform which provide more charts at a time. This option is totally free for Fyers users. If you want to open an account, link is available in the description.